So I'm a huge fan of GVM, right? My whole studio right now have GVM product from lights to sliders, and they work great. I really do like them. Well, I have GVM latest offering, the GVM PR150R. You know what? As a beginner, you need a lighting kit for videos, or if you even taking photographs, you need a lighting solution. Well, this may be the ultimate lighting solution that won't break the bank. Let me explain. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I have a professional lighting kit from GVM. This may be your one-stop shop that you all need to get the job done. But you know what? Before I give you my thoughts about it, let's go to and talk about what you get in the box. First, this kit comes with two boxes, the light itself, and the second box has the lantern soft box plus a stand. Oh yeah, it comes complete if you get the kit. Let's talk about what you get in the first box. When opening up the box, you get the light itself that has a pre-installed light diffuser on it, that's already attached, plus you get the power cord and the user manual. Now, unfortunately, this kit doesn't come with a carrying bag, which I would talk about later on in this video. Let's talk about the next box. The next box, you get the light stand and a complete lantern and softbox kit, right? You get the whole kit here, which is great. So in my studio, I have a lantern and softbox right here, which is really good. Gives me a bunch of light here, and it's very controllable with the app, which we're going to talk about in this video. So as we look at this light, let's talk about the tech specs. The GVM PR150R is a video light that's RGB and bicolor, so you get the best of both worlds here. With a color temperature of 2700 Kelvin all the way up to 7500 Kelvin for bicolor use. And the RGB color is from 0 to 360 in the color rendering index. This COB light is very powerful. For over 5400 lux of power here at 1 meter. Now that's going to be without the reflector. Look, I've been noticing the full power of this is about 5600 Kelvin. So it's nice and bright and it's good to go. Now this 150 watt light is plastic and aluminum, mostly plastic, right? Just keep that in mind, and we're going to talk about that later on in this video. One of the standout features of this light system is the app. Look, I have multiple lights on this app and it works very good. So let's talk about the build quality. It's almost plastic build here. The York and the bones mount is the only one part of this light is metal, right? So the type of material that they use in here is a recipe, right, for lightweight, which by itself, it weighs about 15 pounds. So it's very light. Now let's talk about fan noise, and I'm going to stop here. Which is very important with my testing. Is a bit of fan noise, right? Not by much, but you know what? Once you place this light, as a key light or away from your subject, you won't have that issue, so just keep that in mind. It does have a bit of noise here. So let's talk about the controls on the back. It's very easy layout here. GVM does a very good job to make it user friendly. You got a big display here with your current readout. Right, you got your channel up here, you got your brightness level, you got your color temperature, and you have your modes here, right? You got your dial right here, right, that controls everything right here, from your slave to your rotation to your app and all that stuff like that, right? You can make all your selection from rotation, slave, master, and app, right? Now at the bottom here, you got two knobs, one for brightness or intensity, as they call it here, right? The next button is, I call it a multifunctional button that controls your color temperature, your hue, and if you want to get in and out of different modes, you got to hold press this, right? And it's going to go into different modes. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Now you do have lighting effects here with this light, since it has an RGB bulb on here. So you could go from cop car to TV to bad bulb, party, and much more. And lastly, you got your power button right here. Plus you have your power port, which allows you to screw on a power cable so you don't have no accidents and nobody will be pulling this out. So that is very good. You do not want interruption in power if you are on a video shoot or a photo shoot. Okay, so let's talk about the app. The app is available in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, so download it at your convenience. Once you install this app, you put the light in app mode and it will pop up on your device. All you gotta do is click on it and boom, you got full control over your light. And as you can see, there it goes, right? Just press it. You got full control over your bicolor mode and your hue. And there it goes. You can turn the intensity up, back and forth, or however you want to do it. But the app is the way to go if you have lights like this. So let's talk about the pros and cons with this light. First, the light is very compact and lightweight, which is really good, especially if you're carrying it from part A to part B, right? One of the standout features of this whole kit is you get a modifier, which is really nice. It comes with a modifier. It at a great cost. Savings is good, right? Especially if you could get a bundle deal. So $328 is very good for this whole kit. So that is a pro. But no product is perfect. So let's talk about the cons. First, there's no carrying bag with this product. So if you need to bring these lights to a photo shoot or a video shoot, you need to find a way to tote this, right? You need to find a way to tote this, and that is a con to me. And I guess because of the price, but you have to tote this in all its accessories because it don't come with a bag. And GVM bags are beautiful. Next, the build quality. Even though it's nice looking COB light, just be aware that it's a almost plastic build and you do have some metal here. But you know, and the reason why I put that as a con is because a lot of people that's interested in this product will want to know the build quality. And lastly, there's no V-mount solution here. So you have to have adequate power source if you're out on a professional shoot. So just keep that in mind. Look, I know most of every mobile solutions have V-mount solutions, but this doesn't have it. Unfortunately, this doesn't have a V-mount solution. So here it is, the GVM PR150R, the ultimate bicolor and RGB COB lighting kit. It's great for all kinds of locations, right? Look, it gives you a great color balance. You got RGB and you got bicolor. So it fit almost every need. As far as the fan noise, you know, I'm not a fan of the fan noise, but you know what? Once you put this on the other side of your talent or whatever, you be fine. Also, it's lightweight, so it's easy to carry. Now, as far as the consistent in colors, I'm finding it that about 5600 Kelvin is a very good consistent color. Now, you could go all the way up to 7500 Kelvin if you want to get it nice and cool, or if you want to go all the way down to 2700 Kelvin to get that warm effect, you could do that here. This light has never overheated on me, but I wish there was a way to control the fan noise. And I know I keep talking about it in this video. You know, most of these lights, you can turn the fan down to quiet or something like that, which sometimes it will knock down the brightness level on your light, but at least you get the option. With this product here, you don't get the option to turn down the fan noise. And look, fan noise is very important, especially me recording this video. I'm using this microphone instead of my overhead microphone, and the reason why is because I'm so close to the fan, and the fan, you would definitely hear it in the video. So this is why I'm using this microphone instead of my overhead microphone. Look, I will leave all product links down in the description below if you want to pick this product up. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solution. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the GVM COB bi-color RGB lights in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.